What's up, everybody? I'm Jimmy, and welcome to my channel. I've got some awesome, taste bud tantalizing recipes for you guys. We're talking about taking your leftover spaghetti bolognese to a whole new level. I'm about to hit you with 4 incredible ways to use up that spaghetti. Smash that like button, subscribe to join the fun, and let's get cooking. First up, we're going full Italian fusion with the spaghetti bolognese pizza explosion. Picture this. A crispy pizza crust piled high with that saucy, meaty goodness. You'll need about 2 cups of your leftover spaghetti bolognese and a pre-made pizza crust. Spread that bolognese love evenly over the crust. Next, sprinkle on a generous layer of mozzarella cheese. Pop that cheesy goodness into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 15-20 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. Let it cool down for a few minutes, then slice it up. Next up, we're getting sneaky with these stuffed pepper surprises. Imagine biting into a juicy pepper bursting with that familiar spaghetti bolognese flavor. For this, you'll need about 4 large bell peppers. Slice them in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds and membranes. Stuff each pepper half with about 3 cups of your leftover spaghetti bolognese. Top each stuffed pepper with a sprinkle of cheese and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 25-30 minutes. They're ready when the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Enjoy this delicious twist on a classic dish. Let's take a trip south of the border with this frittata fiesta, a flavor-packed egg dish perfect for any time of day. You'll need about 2 cups of leftover spaghetti bolognese. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add your bolognese, breaking it up with a spoon. While that's heating up, whisk together 6 eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour the egg mixture over the heated bolognese in the skillet. Let it cook undisturbed for a few minutes, allowing the edges to set. Once the edges are set, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese over the top. Cover the skillet and let it cook for another 5-7 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the eggs are cooked through. Serve hot and enjoy. Get ready for the ultimate fusion food, the taco-tastic transformation. We're taking your taste buds on a wild ride from Italy to Mexico. Heat up your leftover spaghetti bolognese in a saucepan over medium heat. While that's heating up, warm up some taco shells according to the package directions. Spoon a generous amount of that hot spaghetti bolognese into each taco shell. Top with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, onions, sour cream, guacamole, salsa, whatever you like. Enjoy the ultimate taco experience. And that's a wrap. 4 mind-blowing ways to transform your leftover spaghetti bolognese into culinary masterpieces. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any more epic food transformations. Which one of these recipes are you going to try first? Get creative, have fun, and as always, stay awesome.